Question: The Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission (IPC), an autonomous institution fully funded by the Government of India, operates under the administrative control of which of the following ministries? A. Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. B. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. C. Ministry of Science and Technology. D. Ministry of Ayush. The right answer will be B. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Next question. Question: Recently seen in the news the establishment of new maritime regulatory body named the Persian Gulf Strait Authority (PGSA) to manage the regulate vessel movement was announced by which of the following countries? A. Saudi Arabia. B. United Arab Emirates. C. Oman. D. Iran. The right answer will be Persian Gulf Strait Authority (PGSA). The right answer will be D. Iran. Next question. Question: The original legal provision addressing the offense of sedition, which later formed the foundation for Section 124A of the Indian Penal Code (IPC), was drafted in the year 1837 by which of the following prominent British figures? A. Thomas Macaulay. B. Sir James Stephens. C. Lord Warren Hastings. D. Lord William Bentinck. The right answer will be A. Thomas Macaulay. Next question. Question: The flagship report titled The State of Food Security and Nutrition in the World (SOFI), which tracks global progress towards ending hunger and malnutrition, is primarily published by which of the following international organizations? A. World Bank. B. Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO). C. World Economic Forum (WEF). D. United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP). The right answer will be Food Security and Nutrition in the World (SOFI). The right answer will be B. Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO). Next question. Question: The term Agricola in the prestigious Agricola Medal Institute. Question: The term Agricola in the prestigious Agricola Medal instituted by the Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO) is derived from a Latin word that means A. Harvest. B. Earth. C. Soil. D. Farmer. The right answer will be the term Agricola in the prestigious Agricola Medal. The right answer will be D. Farmer. Next question. Question: The prestigious Agricola Medal, recognized for outstanding contributions to global food security and sustainable agriculture, is the highest honor conferred by which of the following international organizations? A. World Food Programme (WFP). B. Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO). C. International Fund for Agricultural Development (IFAD). D. World Health Organization (WHO). The right answer will be B. Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO). Next question. Question: Recently advocated by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR as an alternative to urea for paddy cultivation. Which of the following is a highly water soluble inorganic fertilizer that provides the dual nutritional advantage of both nitrogen and sulfur? A. Calcium ammonium nitrate can. B. Diammonium sulfate DAP. C. Ammonium sulfate. D. Muriate of potash MOP. The right answer will be highly water soluble inorganic fertilizers that provides the dual nutrition advantage of both nitrogen and sulfur. The right answer will be C. Ammonium sulfate. Next question. What is the designated theme for the International Day for Biological Diversity observed in the year 2026? A. From agreement to action, build back biodiversity. B. Our biodiversity, our food, our health. C. Building a shared future for all life. D. We are part of the solution for nature. The right answer will be A. From agreement to action, build back biodiversity. Next question. Pulicat Lake, the second largest brackish water lagoon in India, is geographically spread across which of the following states? Pairs of states. A. Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. B. Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. C. Tamil Nadu and Kerala. D. Odisha and West Bengal. The right answer will be pairs of state. The right answer will be B. Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu.